Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate ganache for fondant cake. First, let's talk about the ideal ratio. For a firm ganache that supports fondant beautifully, you'll want 2 parts chocolate to 1 part heavy cream. This means for every 200 grams of chocolate, you'll use 100 grams of cream. Using a good quality dark chocolate, around 70% cocoa solids, will give you the best results and flavor. Now, let's get to melting. Start by gently heating your heavy cream in a saucepan until it just reaches a simmer, but don't let it boil. Once hot, pour the cream directly over your finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. It's crucial to let this mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This resting time allows the heat from the cream to thoroughly melt the chocolate, preparing it for the next step. After resting, it's time to emulsify. Begin stirring gently from the center of the bowl, slowly expanding your circles outwards. Continue until the mixture transforms into a smooth, glossy, and uniform ganache, completely free of any lumps. Once emulsified, cover the bowl and let it cool at room temperature. This process can take several hours or even overnight until it reaches a firm, spreadable consistency. With your ganache firm, it's ready for application. Use an offset spatula or palette knife to spread a thin, even layer over your cake. Then, use a cake scraper to achieve those coveted sharp edges and a perfectly smooth surface. This firm ganache shell provides an excellent, stable foundation for your fondant. Allow it to set completely, ideally for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator, before draping your fondant for a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.